Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Our Chennai workshop date has been decided. We were in dilemma whether to do it on 17th, 18th because that comes on around Pongal holidays. So now we have shifted to 24 and 25. So those who are interested may contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. So January is the right time to attend the workshop because we will be taking some positions like for December 2026 expiry sometime before the budget. So normally we take 1 year view. So we trade in yearly options. So therefore, I would advise you, if you plan to attend, better attend it in January. So that's the best time to attend. What a dramatic reversal in US markets. The day before yesterday, after the market hours, NVIDIA results came. Seems to be very good. NVIDIA shares shot up about 5%. And that brought optimism to the entire global markets. And entire global markets rallied. And Indian markets also rallied. And Indian markets closed at year-to-date high or 1 year high. In fact, probably all-time closing high. But what happened yesterday in the US market? It's opened higher and there was a dramatic reversal. There was a severe intraday sell-off. And S&P 500 fell more than 3% from intraday high to intraday low. And Nasdaq has fallen about 5%. Just imagine an index falling 5% from intraday high to intraday low. Now Nasdaq is about 8% lower from the recent high, that is all-time high, and S&P 500 is down more than 5%. And people are really, have no clue why such a fall, that too sudden fall. And NVIDIA, after rising 5%, and it fell 8%. No, this is, just imagine, this is a 5 trillion company moving, 5% up, then from there 8% down, that is a 13% move. So that's a $500 billion move. And US markets, they behave like that only. There are a lot of theories going around. And number one, the AI overvaluation. And number two, this guy, Michael Burry, who was a very famous short seller. And he says he bought a lot of put options in NVIDIA and other artificial intelligence stocks. So whatever is the reason, the people are still figuring out what has happened. Meanwhile, GIFT Nifty yesterday night, when the US market was higher, the GIFT Nifty was indicating an opening for our market at a fresh all-time high. But because of the huge sell-off in the later part of the day, I think, so that optimism is totally wiped out. And the GIFT Nifty itself has fallen nearly about 150 points from intraday high to intraday low yesterday night. But however, having said all these things, on the way up, we did not actually follow the US markets. Why should we follow the US markets on the way down? But however, the sentiment will be definitely affected. Despite such a big fall in US markets, HDFC Bank ADR was higher more than 1%. So today, on an expected line, IT index may fall. And because the Nasdaq has fallen nearly 5%, so definitely IT index will come under some kind of a selling pressure here. But the Infosys buyback offer, may cushion the fall. On the other side, ICICI Bank ADR was down, but HDFC Bank ADR is up. So we are getting some mixed signal for banking stocks. So overall, right now the GIFT Nifty indicating about 50-60 point lower opening. That is okay. It's not a big deal given the kind of move we had. It is good if markets consolidate. So especially, the monthly expiry is just only 3 days away. So some kind of consolidation is really good. Yesterday, despite the market moved higher, so volatility index also moved higher. In a rising market, logically, VIX should fall, but yesterday the VIX moved higher. When a VIX moves higher, which means that, the direction is likely to continue. So yesterday it was an upward direction. So that means the fear is actually on the higher side. So therefore, the upward direction should, continue. But this US market crash, we can say crash, 5% fall, in a single trading session. And then, just now I read Japan SoftBank is down more than 10%. Probably they have investments in NVIDIA kind of stocks. They will have a large exposure to US equity also. So yesterday only in one of the YouTube interviews in Tamil Nadu, they asked me how to invest in US markets. So I suggested, it's my personal opinion, that being an Indian tax resident, you concentrate only on Indian stocks, do not venture into global stock. And this kind of volatility, in India, it doesn't happen. So in that way, Indian markets are far better than US markets. So anyway, let us see what is going to happen. So because of the US market hangama yesterday, I could not sleep. I had hardly slept for 3 hours. So that's why I'm feeling so tired. So anyway, so we will see if market open lower, it consolidates, it's good, but the probability of recovery is very, very low. But who knows, Indian market can throw surprises. Coming to open interest, I think 26,000 put option should be the safe bet. And, market should take support around 26,000. So right now, maybe for next 3 days, it may be 26,000 to 26,500. So maybe the game. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.